right.
We are good. The stage is yours, Roger.
All right. Thank you, everybody. I apologize for my technical difficulties and/or user error today. My name is Roberta Greco. I'm the head of business and product development for the division of Exxelia known as Micropen or Micropen Technologies Corporation. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about the Micropen technology itself and a new different dielectric type of material called WavePro. We have been working with a company called Garlock, N-Pro Garlock, and we've been looking for a home, if you will, for the WavePro technology. So let me go through my quick agenda here and explain who we are, what is our printing technology. I've got some technical information on the WavePro technology and some general applications, and hopefully we'll be able to leave a little bit of time for Q&A. So who are we? We did do a presentation at TechBlick this past October. So this is our second forum with TechBlick, but we're located in upstate New York in the United States, a small town called Honeywell Falls, which is just outside of Rochester, New York. And we were technically founded in 1982, 100+ employees and growing. We have about 50,000 square feet on 11-acre campus here. We are actually a converted paper mill from the turn of the century. And we have 11,000 square feet of clean room manufacturing space, which is controlled, not classified, but would be a class 10,000. We are a direct write platform. So not unlike you've seen some of the other folks here, we're a little bit different in that we are truly a non-contact printing. And that allows us to print in the three-dimensional substrates that are highly irregular, soft, fragile, flexible. I don't know that we've found necessarily a material that we can't necessarily print on, provided we identify the materials that are worthy to print on it. We're obviously additive versus subtractive. In our rule of thumb, basically, if it's flowable, we can print it. We're not limited to the viscosity ranges that a lot of other additive dispense companies are. We can print from the less than water all the way up to the million centipoise. Basically, any kind of conductor dielectrics and/or filled composite materials. We technically are two different divisions, so we do specialize in the high voltage, high performance, precision, thick film resistors, which is our branded line called Ohmcraft. So that was where the platform and the company technically was based from. We are differentiated by the ability to print a different bill of materials and on three-dimensional surfaces. We maintain all the appropriate registrations for medical device as well as defense. So ISO, AS, RoHS, REACH, FDA, and ITAR. Main market segments are medical and test and measurement. And you can see based on the medical side over here, we can print on a multitude of different architectures, materials, and form factors, but not limiting to dilators and instruments, balloon catheters, endotracheal tubes, which is the visual you see up here, as well as for test and measurement, which is 15% of our market share for mostly analytical, mass spec, and different types of non-standard resistors that would normally follow the Ohmcraft product line. This will be in your slide deck. There's a video here. It's also on our website. But essentially, what we do is we're able to linearize the ink upstream from a pen tip, what you see here. And it's two different orifice sizes. So a larger ID to a smaller ID. We're able to control based on surface interactions, the ink, and ride the printed layer. So our line widths, based on even conventional, thick film technologies, we can do a 2-to-1 on the aspect ratio with 50 microns line width and/or 25 microns of white space. So we can hit some of those challenging geometries and barriers and still do basically a 2-to-1. So why we're working with the WavePro material in particular here is that our expertise lies in matching up the substrates, the inks themselves, and our ink dispense system, as well as being able to integrate some other non-standard, ink application methods. So we don't just use the Micropen for everything. We could use